Hello and welcome to this video on how to improve your time management skills. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but some people seem to be able to accomplish more in that time than others. The key difference is effective time management. In this video, we'll discuss tips and strategies to help you become more productive and better manage your time. Tip 1. Prioritize your tasks. One of the most important aspects of time management is learning to prioritize your tasks. This means identifying the most important and urgent tasks and focusing on them first. Start by making a to-do list and ranking your tasks in order of importance. This will help you stay on track and avoid getting sidetracked by less important tasks. Tip 2. Create a schedule. Another key strategy for effective time management is creating a schedule. This means setting specific times for each task on your to-do list. It's important to be realistic when scheduling your tasks and to allow for some flexibility in case unexpected things come up. By having a schedule, you'll be more likely to stay on track and accomplish your goals. Tip 3. Minimize distractions. Distractions are a major obstacle to effective time management. In order to be productive, it's important to minimize distractions as much as possible. This means turning off your phone or putting it on silent, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and finding a quiet space to work. By minimizing distractions, you'll be able to focus on your tasks and get more done in less time. Tip 4. Take breaks. While it may seem counterintuitive, taking breaks is actually an important part of time management. Working for long periods of time without a break can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Instead, try working in intervals of 25 to 30 minutes. Followed by a short break. This is known as the Pomodoro technique and can help improve focus and productivity. Tip 5. Learn to say no. Finally, it's important to learn to say no. This means being selective about the tasks and projects you take on, and not overcommitting yourself. When you take on too much, you're likely to become overwhelmed and your productivity will suffer. By learning to say no, you'll be able to focus on the tasks that are most important to you and accomplish them more efficiently. In conclusion, effective time management is essential for productivity and success. By prioritizing your tasks, creating a schedule, minimizing distractions, taking breaks, and learning to say no, you can improve your time management skills and accomplish more in less time. Thanks for watching.